Students, today I will discuss some MCQ on the chapter carboxylic acid for the examination JEE and NEET, also for the CBSE students. Question number 1. Formic acid and acetic acid can be distinguished by, these are the choices. Okay, so what will be the answer? The answer is ammoniacal silver nitrate solution, that is known as Tollin's reagent. If you take Tollin's reagent, then what will happen? You will get the silver mirror test, which is not given by acetic acid. So formic acid gives Tollin's reagent, acetic acid does not give the Tollin's reagent test. Next question, which of the following compound does not have a carbonyl group? So in the carboxylic acid, carbonyl group is present. So in the benzoic acid, carbonyl group is present. Okay, and in the palmitic acid, carbonyl group is present. In the oleic acid, carbonyl group is present. But in the picric acid, there is no carbonyl group. So what is picric acid? The structure of picric acid, you see, it is the structure of picric acid. OH, NO2, NO2, NO2. So this is your picric acid. Okay, so there are 3 NO2 groups on 1 OH group. So there is no carbonyl group. Next, when propionic acid is treated with sodium bicarbonate, the carbon dioxide is liberated. So this carbon is from, either it is from carbonic or bicarbonate, propionic acid or bicarbonate. This is the question. So the reaction, you take propionic acid. What is propionic acid? CH3, CH2, COH. This is propionic acid and it is treated with sodium bicarbonate. So you will get what? CH3, CH2, COO. And this hydrogen is replaced by the sodium metal and you will get carbon dioxide plus water. So this carbon dioxide is from this sodium bicarbonate. Okay, so the answer is D. Next question, identify the product Z in the series reaction. So this is methyl cyanide treated with sodium in presence of ethyl alcohol. So sodium and ethyl alcohol when treated, it will give you the hydrogen, nascent hydrogen. So this nascent hydrogen reacts with CH3CN. You will get what? You will get CH3CH2. This is your CH3CH2 NH2, that is primary amine. And this primary amine on oxidation will get you the alcohol CH3CH2OH. Okay, and which one treated with constant sulfuric acid, which is the dehydrating agent, you will get CH2 double bond CH2. So the answer is what you will get? You will get the CH2 double bond CH2. So this is the choice. Next question, the reaction of formic acid with constant sulfuric acid gives what? Formic acid, you take formic acid HCHO, HCOH treated with concentrated sulfuric acid, you will get carbon monoxide plus water. So the answer is carbon monoxide. Okay, the answer is carbon monoxide. Next, which of the following acids combines with the properties of an aldehyde and acid? Which of the following acids combines the properties of an aldehyde? That means that acid must have a property of aldehyde and property of acid. So which one? This is formic acid. So the formic acid shows the reducing nature like aldehydes, reducing nature like aldehyde, and acidic nature like acid. So this is the dual character of formic acid. Okay, both aldehyde nature and acidic nature. Next question, which of the following compounds forms intramolecular hydrogen bond? Intramolecular. This is the salicylaldehyde. Out of the choices, salicylaldehyde. So what is salicylaldehyde structure? This is the structure of salicylaldehyde. So the dotted line, this dotted line, so this is your OH group and this is the COH group. Okay, so this dotted line is the intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular means the bonding between the two molecules, two groups or two functional groups of a molecule, that is known as intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Next, pyrolignos acid does not contain, and the extraction of it is from the acid chapter of acetic acid. Extraction of acetic acid, when we extract acetic acid from by the pyrolignos acid method, then pyrolignos acid contains your acetone, some percentage of acetone, some portion of methyl alcohol, and some portion of acetic acid, but there is no formic acid. So pyrolignos acid does not contain formic acid. So D is the answer. Okay, students, you subscribe my channel and like it and share it.